Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make chicken curry. Let's get started. First, I will prepare this curry mix. Some fennel seeds, cumin seeds, cayenne pepper, ground coriander or cilantro, garam masala, turmeric, then set aside. I will use them later. Heat up some vegetable oil at medium heat. Add 1 medium-sized yellow onion, some minced garlic, ground ginger, cinnamon sticks, star anise, some Cardamom Pods, 1 pound of tomatoes. Add the curry mix we made before. For my recipe, I use chicken drumsticks. You can also use chicken breast. Add some potatoes at the beginning. That will help thicken the gravy. 1 can of coconut milk. Add some salt. Tomato puree. Bring to boil. Put the lid on. Keep cooking for 40 minutes at medium heat. Add the rest of the potatoes. Then cover it. Cook for another 20 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the curry. Turn off the heat, then sprinkle some finely chopped coriander or cilantro. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this chicken curry for 2 to 3 people cost me just over $11. I'm going to enjoy the chicken curry with some basmati rice. Thanks for watching my video.